today's video, we're going to be making truck stop burgers. Alright, and we're using Wahlburgers today. Chuck brisket blend, hearty beef flavor in every bite. Alright guys, and we're going to be using Montreal seasoning. Okay guys, let's get it started. Alright, let's get a burger in the pan. Gonna add a few drops of Worcestershire sauce and some Montreal seasoning. Alright guys, we'll be right back. Alright, so we got to flip on the other side. Some more Worcestershire sauce and Montreal seasoning. Alright guys, let's go ahead and add our cheese. I'm using Kobe Jack cheese. Alright, let's get our lid on so this bad boy cheese can melt. Alright guys, let's make our buttery bun. Okay guys, so it is time for the assembly. Alright, now we're going to lay our lettuce down first. Let's grab our burger and some bacon. And then our tomatoes. And next, our onion rings. Alright, so we're gonna add some. I'm gonna use mayo and ketchup today. You guys can use whatever you want. And that, and some ketchup. Alright, let's put this on top. And there we go. Truck stop burger. Alright, so let's give this bad boy a taste. This is one mean truck stop burger. Alright. Oh man, that's good. Damn.